The ZUIDID upgraded 10.26-inch wireless CarPlay Android Auto dashcam stands out as a beacon of innovation and convenience. Available on Aliexpress, this cutting-edge device seamlessly integrates advanced features such as 5G Wi-Fi, ADAS GPS, and more to enhance your driving experience. Let's delve into the features that make this product a game-changer. Powered by a top quad-core chip, the ZUIDID dashcam ensures swift and efficient operation. Each core works in tandem to execute specific tasks, resulting in lightning-fast performance. With a remarkable boot time of just 3 seconds, this dashcam resolves the issue of slow startup commonly encountered with similar products, ensuring that you're always ready to hit the road without delay. Equipped with a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, this dashcam captures every detail of your journey with stunning clarity. Whether you're recording scenic drives or documenting crucial moments on the road, the ZUIDID dashcam delivers unrivaled image quality that exceeds expectations. Embracing the latest 5G Wi-Fi technology, this dashcam offers enhanced connectivity and faster data transmission speeds compared to traditional 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. With its wider bandwidth and reduced interference, the 5G Wi-Fi ensures a stable and seamless connection, facilitating smooth video streaming and real-time data transfer. Integrated advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS) provide additional layers of safety, including lane departure warnings, collision detection, and more. With GPS functionality, users can track their routes and access accurate navigation assistance, enhancing overall driving confidence and peace of mind.